Hello. Hey, we are done with the stay. It's time is around 9:45, and the place where we have to reach is Flycatcher Adventure Camps. So we'll be going there for inquiring about the rafting. Hope we get the long rafting, but as per the news, there is no long rafting because it's a midweek and they're not getting much of people. And until and unless a boat is full, they will not take us to the long rafting. They might take us to the mid rafting and the short rafting. Need to see at least if we get the mid rafting. Mid rafting is a small distance rafting. The short rafting is a very small distance rafting. So apart from that, we have kayaking, other water sports. I need to go and check what all other sports are there. The other water sports are included in the package where we are staying. So yeah, sure, stay tuned and watch my video on the rafting and other water sports in Dhandeli, and all the details with the contact will be provided in the description. So stick around. So stick around. Hey folks, on our way to Kali River water rafting, we found this place unexpectedly. This is the viewpoint of the Suba Dam backwaters. So what you see here is the backwaters of the Suba Dam. So that's the dam here, and the dam water will be left over, and that joins to the Kali River. So there is a connection between the Kali River and the Suba Dam anyways. So yeah, we are heading our way. We'll not waste much time. Probably we'll take some pictures over here and we need to do the prep work in any of our rides or any of our adventures. Yes, that's true, but my way of going is I don't even book the stay for myself. It's just on the go. There are some advantages and disadvantages in that. You don't have that baggage that you have to reach at this point of time. I am very much on myself because I don't have any booking to be cancelled or to be looked after to. So that's one thing. But here what has gone wrong is in Dhandeli, if anybody wants to do water sports, obviously people come to Dhandeli for water sports or whitewater rafting, and if they want to do any kind of sports activities, it's not Dhandeli you have to search. The place you have to search is Ganesh Gudi. So Ganesh Gudi is the place where you have all the activities, all the resorts, all the homestays which is nearby to the river, and water facing, not water facing, all kinds of homestays. So this is the place, and I didn't know this. I usually was searching for Dhandeli, and that took me to the place where I was. If the place was good, not bad. If you want to stay, just have a stay in mid of the forest, have some good fun time with your friends and go back. That's the place. Obviously it's 30 kilometers away from Dhandeli. It's not in Dhandeli, it's 30 kilometers away from Dhandeli. A place where I am staying now. I have come now to play the water sports. This is the place, Ganesh Gudi, which is meant for adventure sports. And if you want to have any booking or any sorts of booking, you can book it here. I will provide the details or the phone contact in the description if they want to do book for the adventure sports. And when it comes to water rafting, there are three different levels of water rafting. One is the long, one is the short, and one is the mid-range. So the mid-range and the short has been promoted by most of the homestays because the mid and the short rafting has some amount of commission attached to it, and the long water rafting doesn't have any commission attached to it, and all these activities are in the control of the government, and that is being handled by Jungle Resorts. Yes, if you directly book in Jungle Resorts, you get a package which is all set and no issues for you. But thing is, like, Jungle Resorts is a bit costly when it comes to the charges, and Jungle Resorts have been tied up with a lot of other adventure groups as well. One of them is Flycatcher. It's not an official tie-up or something like that, but you can say that any water activities or adventure activities from the Jungle Resorts, people who stay in Jungle Resorts, will be handed over to the Flycatcher. So that was the information I got. I don't know how far the information is right, but I feel the people who are genuine, and you can book your activities through that. So that's the information I had to give. Next, I will be going to do all my adventure sports and the
सर आपका टोकन नंबर 4 याद रखना चाहिए। और आपका मोबाइल पास वाले कुछ भी कैरी नहीं करना। नहीं आपका कार की तो गाड़ी में लॉकर में रखें। ठीक है सर, लेट बिगिन कर लीजिए। शेखर रेडी ಮಾಡಿದವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Daytime better call correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Something like this. Daytime better call correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Something like this.
But correct middle ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪೆಡಲಿಗೆ. ತ್ರೀ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೆಡಲ್. ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೆಡಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೆಡಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಫ್ರಂಟ್.
ಓಡೋಣ, ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಡೋಣವಾ?
See, he is a very bad swimmer. ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಬಾ.
ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗೋ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಇದು ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾಡಲ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ: ಟೀ ಗ್ರಿಪ್, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಟ್. ಈ ಟೀ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಥಂಬ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4 ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಪ್ ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕಲ್ ಫೇಸಿಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕಾಯಕರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಬಸ್ ಗೈಡಿಗೆ 2 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು, ಸೊ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಗೈಡಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುವ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಅಸ್ತಮಾ, BP, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫಿಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಹೋಗುವ.
ಹಾಂ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ.
Daytime better call correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you working left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Something like this.